Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get an FC Mobile 2024 modded version. So as you can see guys, right here, we have all these settings, which is super cool. You get unlimited points, unlimited gems, unlock all players, and unlock premium pass. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. I'm going to turn on the unlimited points and unlimited gems features right here. And now I'm going to go ahead and press activate. And as you can see guys, my resources should go up like crazy. So I'm not sure if this method actually works or if it is not going to work, but let's see if my game does change. And oh my gosh, I got 9.9 million. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It's super insane guys, and it actually works. So if you do like to play FC Mobile 2024, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this version. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Right guys, so as you can see in the game, I do have a ton of money, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this mod. So what you want to do guys is go over to your browser first and foremost, and we're just going to go over to this website called ZooMods, which has a ton of mods for apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here just to show you guys the site. So it's super cool guys. So once you're on this website guys, what you want to do is go to the search bar and just type in FC. And as you can see guys, it says FC Mobile 2024, so just go ahead and press on that. It's in a download. And as you can see guys, the mod is only 47 MB, so it's not that big. So yeah, this is super cool guys, and it actually does give you unlimited money as you saw earlier. So yeah, this is the website I would recommend visiting, ZooMods. That's the one that worked for me. So yeah, it's pretty cool guys. I'm not going to download it in this video because I've already installed the mod. But as you can see guys, I have a ton of money, so this is totally updated guys, and it is super cool. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. You can see there I have over 2.4 million coins and a 9.9 million FIFA points. So it's pretty crazy. I do not even know how they're able to do this, but it is totally working guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. It is super insane. And if you do like to play this game guys, then you are going to be really happy to have this version installed onto your phone guys, which totally works. And it's super cool guys. I didn't have to jailbreak or anything like that, which is awesome. So I'm really happy that I was able to get this installed. So if this video does work for you guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself and get the word out, because this is super insane guys, and it is totally updated. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. It's super crazy guys, and you can become pretty rich with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. This is super cool guys, totally working. FC Mobile 2024 hack. So enjoy the video guys, and peace out.